Atlanta to Jamaica. Hi, I'm Ray. Ball Out, a dancehall hit of 2018, even spawning a gospel remix. And now Dovey Magnum's back home on her first visit in 16 years.
Don't stop. Oh, what a feeling.
Ball Out, one of the year's top tracks, done by a Jamaican living in Miami, then Atlanta, since her teens. Dovey Magnum, with a 15-year-old son, describing herself as a street girl, talks like she never left, and dancehall in her blood.
4 years ago, me used to pang around like two look song with two girls in Atlanta, and then me just stop, and then like about 2.5 going 3 years now, I just take it serious and I find a management and I say, here, I'm going to put out some song and just pre-see what going on. Come in on a different thing, my thing different.
Back home for the first time in 16 years. Why so long?
You're living in America, you don't know as a little young girl, you don't know me as a street girl, so you get in a little problem here and there, you have to just go through the consequence and just wait till them say, all right, here, time to go, let's go. So yeah, it's my time right now.
Would you say life in Atlanta is easy?
No, life in Atlanta is not easy. Life in America, period, is not easy. Not easy.
How difficult can it get? How
can
difficult can it get for you?
It can get difficult for you when you sleep all that ground and get evict and can't live nowhere because your family turn all upon you and turn them back on you. What you are going to do in the sense? Because listen, you have to understand, you in America now, and let me tell you, a lot of family from Jamaica like to do and hate it. It's when them go in America and you know come up for go stay amongst them treat you bad. When you put me out, where you expect me to go when you have a family and you tell me to come there. So like I said, America, it can be so rough and it can be easy because some people go in a good family and go in a good thing. Some people have to go up there and go work and go get it. So my life, I did have to get it.
Independent and in nobody.
Atlanta with a reggae dancehall scene of its own. Dovey's name spreading from there to here.
Me is an example when me think, say, okay, yo, I have to come to Jamaica, I have to come to Jamaica. If I don't come to Jamaica, nobody not going to listen to music, song not going to work. And then it's like, I draw back and I start thinking and say, here, what? You see, I focus on my fans and the people that support me, because guess what? Anyway, them there and support me, and anyway, me there and drop a song, then we run with it, and that's what I did.
At the same time, working as a certified nursing assistant can be a messy job, but Dovey's life now very different because of Ball Out.
No, I'm not going to get no more eviction. I'm a buy a king-size bed, so my blow-up bed can rest now.
What's the story of that song?
The girl baby father. Why you stop so?
Give me a little detail.
Because the girl baby father, you know, I do something about the girl baby father, be a bag of something, because right now I'm going to talk to you, it's like a shake. You know, it just have something to it, man, you know. Why? I have to wipe all my feet. Girl baby father. It's just a feeling when she give me, because remember, you know, I know my man, and the adrenaline rush, and that give the feeling, so of course, I have to feel something, so you know the things like.
And when that song hit the airwaves or hit the dances in Atlanta, what was the reaction?
Yeah, man, girl them go crazy. And you know what I like with Ball Out? And not just the girl them. You have the man them too, them feel good in themselves, them all, you know? You have man get more dance now, girl wine for a man more now, because you have to understand, you know, no music never did it for we like that out there for you really boogie, because Ball Out remind me, let me tell you the feeling what Ball Out give me. You know that song there? No, no, no.
Dawn Pen.
Yeah. You see, she just said that, and she not really say much, but it's the feeling what it give you. So Ball Out is a song where it does hypnotize your whole nerve.
Ball Out chosen for a gospel remix, but Dovey didn't feel the spirit.
All right, example now, me and the writer start chill, and we are party and hear Ball Out right now. 4 months after that, me go get baptized, and me go in a church and me hear the rhythm play in a church. Me I jump and run, because I wonder where the devil follow me I go. So it's like the rhythm is a rhythm where hypnotize, and it's like, it's so, it's like the rhythm so sexual. So there's, no matter what you try, from you know that song Ball Out or ever hear Ball Out, it's kind of the distraction. It's confusion right there.
Popcorn, Alkaline, Idonia, Tifa, Tanya, among her favorite dancehall acts.
You don't know, we have some work coming out when we don't even want to call the name them, forget it, feel like them eat nothing. You know what I mean? But it's a lot of them I would love to work with, you know what I'm saying?
Right now, social media on Dovey's case.
Yes, when them ready, them beat me about my teeth. I know it go. I remember say me one of a kind, you know, me I only artist I walk around and name brand gap in them mouth, you know, you understand?
But you can fix that now because you can afford it.
Yeah, me can fix it, but guess what? You know, actually, me dog fix it before me come here. And my sister said, no, I want you go down to Jamaica with the teeth, make them meet you with it. Do what you do, and then when you fly up, you do it. Make them feel the teeth, everything in one.
But maybe it wouldn't sound the same.
You know what I mean? I said to everybody, that is my fear. I want to stay sound this way. I don't want to change me. Because everybody do them teeth, them does is like a different thing. I'm afraid that. So maybe you never see me do nothing to it either. Because they not hurt me and they not rat me.
But the other thing social media is going on about is traveling and being able to travel.
Yeah, because them, you see at the end of the day, a lot of people, even when time them don't hear nothing at all, them listen to what people say and them don't know the depth. Me now go come on social media and tell you what is what from what is what. You asked me earlier, like, you know, why this and why that. Me tell him he's a street girl. So if me I talk to you and he's a street man, I have sense, you know what I mean? Street girl getting a problem, bam, 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 you have to wait until it's time to do what you gotta do. So that's just what it is.
Dovey geared up for her first Jamaican gig Saturday, December 29, and seeing her Jamaican fans.
Yes, and not just the young girl, them you have big woman, them kind of big woman, them like it and them I feel themselves and all of that. So I'm just excited to make them feel me, because you have to understand, it's like them give the excitement, you know, when you post on the Instagram when we do over stuff, them give that excitement and the comment them and the tag and the support, so you already feel it from there. So me coming down now is like to feel it now. I just want to feel them sweat. I want to wipe on my hand for your face, feel your sweat. I want to feel, you know. Because it's a good feeling, you know, to know that I'm there here now. Because when I never there here, it make me hurt. Because I want to be a part of this.
And for people who think when they say Dovey Magnum, you're still a kind of mystery woman, what would you tell them about yourself?
I love girl baby father. I love chicken back. I love tin mackerel and rice. I love wear black clothes.
Dovey's last word, she won't be a one-hit wonder.
Not because the world know ball out. As the people that say, oh, Arshana, one song. Take that back, I don't play that. Because you see them song that we did out before that, I work my song them. I don't go up on stage and say, oh, I'm going to give them ball out and come off. No.
But nothing else big as yet as ball out.
No. But guess what? It's coming.
Drake signs Popcorn as Unruly Fest goes wild for the Canadian superstar.
Yo, Marcus.
Craziness in the unruly.
Line to license.
Hotty, show hotty, go hotty, go hotty.
No, them can't tie down me.
St. Thomas doesn't often get the bigger stage shows. Unruly Fest bigger than most. Popcorn's fortunes continuing to rise in 2018. That and the promise of rap superstar Drake hitting the stage, stoking lots of interest.
This is not just Drake in Jamaica, this is Drake in St. Thomas. Everybody will follow Drake, everywhere in the world, everywhere.
I reckon Drake will do him good.
Early birds getting Tanya Stevens and Agent Sasko.
The first time I met you, I couldn't forget you. Well, I know I really want. A lot of girls can't get no loving tonight.
Cockatoo and Bugle. The unruly boss brimming with energy.
What? Get the killing it. Yeah. I sent Thomas, you know. I know the first, you know.
Big sing-along set, in the moment and on Instagram. Popcorn speaking to this generation. But Unruly Fest, not all fun and games. Tribute paid to a friend murdered at the DJ's house.
The other day when my birthday passed, me and you a smoke and a drink and laugh. We never did. Push up on the answer. Yeah, Shaggy, me wish me could have seen you know.
Unruly Fest capping an otherwise strong year for Popcorn.
Big dreams we have. Big dreams we have. All the one of reaching out. Listen, say that was my time in this rough time. No, I am. Jump, 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 jump. Hands up, hands up.
Everything on the board.
Many touching the stage, but expectations highest for Drake. Drake's appearance at Unruly Fest included an announcement that the Unruly Boss was being signed to Drake's label, OVO Sound, joining the likes of Party Next Door and others.
This is something we worked on for a very long time. I just want to let everybody know, finally, officially, 2019, Popcorn are signed to OVO. OVO Unruly. Yo, St. Thomas, they love you.
Music to the ears of the 30-year-old Unruly Boss. So, Popcorn one step closer to another market.
I need a one dance. Poppy got a Hennessy in his hand. What sound can test? I don't know. Unruly Fest get torn over. Say.
Popcorn also introducing another Canadian.
We're 2 aliens there. Yeah. Cheese.
Oh, yeah. I want everybody hands up right now. Hands up, hands up. 1, 2, 3, let's rock. Talk to me, baby. You some pretty little missy. I got one night for you. One, it's so hot under clothes, let them drop to the floor. Oh, talk to me.
Unruly Fest with instances of unruliness.
The people that know what I get just jump the fence and forward in, because it sure get crazy all over again, you know.
Work also underway during the gig to shore up the stage. But Popcorn pulling off what's sure to be a memorable night in the parish of his birth.
Kiki. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave. Cause I want you. And I need you. And I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you. And I need you.
The #1 song in Jamaica for 2018 after the break.